Good morning, children. Today, let us do exercise 8 real numbers. Today, we shall learn how to find the square root of a number by the method of division. By division method, how to find the square root of a number by division method. So, I have taken question number 7b. The question is find the square root of 1849 by division method. Okay, so we shall try to find the square root of number 1849 by the method of division. Okay, first you write the number. First you write the number. Our number is 1 8 sorry 1 8 4 9. Now first you have to make pairing. There are how many digits here in the number? 1 8 4 9. 4 digits are there. So from right hand side you make pairing, 2 digit again 2 digit. So there are two pairs. First pair is 18, second pair is 49. Now we shall our next step will be, in the first pair you have to see which square number is there. Here in 18, 4 4 ja 16, that is 4 square is there. So our first divisor will be 4. 4 4 ja 16. Okay, 5 we cannot take. 5 5 ja 25 is more than 18. So you have to take a number whose square is less than equal to the given number. So our 4 4 ja 16, 16 is less than 18, so our first divisor will be 4. Now you subtract 16 from 18, so remainder is 2. Okay, now our remaining pair 4 9, you take it down, remaining pair is 49. So our new number is 249. We have to divide 249 now. Now our divisor will change. Our new divisor will be, first you take, it will be of 2 digit number. So first you take, first divisor was 4. 2 times of 4 is what? 8. 2 times of 4 is 8. Again one more digit you have to take here in the second digit in the unit place. So if I take here 1, 1 into 81 will be 81. If I take 2, it will be 162. If I put 3 here and multiply 83 by 3, we get 249. So our next digit will be 3 here. Okay, now whatever digit you put here, same digit you have to put in the quotient. Okay, so now our remainder is what? 0. Okay, so since the remainder is 0, our division finishes here. Now we can write, therefore the square root of 1849 equals 43. Okay, so this is how we find the square root of a number by division method. Okay, first 1849 you make pairing from right hand side, 9 4 one pair, then 8 and 1 second pair. Now in the first, here you see from the left hand side first pair is 18. In 18 you have to see which square number is present. Here 16 is 16, I can subtract maximum 16, I can subtract 4 4 just 16. 16 is a square number. 25, next square number is 25. To 25 I cannot subtract, it is more than 18. Now you subtract 16, it is 4 4 just. So 4 here, first divisor will be 4, first quotient will be 4, first digit in the quotient. Now after subtraction 2 comes, and second pair 49 also you take down, so our new number is 249. So our new divisor will be, first there it will be 2-digit number, so first you multiply 4 by 2, that will be equal to 8, then one more digit you have to put in the unit place and multiply by that number, and you have to find whether it is equal to or less than 249 or not, maximum. So if I put 3 here, so we get 3 into 83, 249. So our next digit in the quotient will be 3, and here 83 multiply by 3 and write 249 and subtract, we get the remainder 0. So our division finishes here. So therefore the square root of 1849 is equal to 43. Okay, so this is how we find the square root of a number by division method. Now instead of 1849, there is no decimal. If I take a decimal number, so let us take question number 8a. Question number 8a. Question is 3.1415, 3.141593. So same method, first you write the number 3.141593. Now here pairing will begin from decimal point. Here decimal is after 3, so from decimal on the both side, right hand side also, left hand side also, we have to make pairing. Pairing will start from decimal point. The first pair will be 14, second pair 15, third pair 93, and before decimal only one digit, so no need of pairing here. Now we shall see before decimal what number is there, 3. In 3 what square number is there, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. I cannot take more than this because 2 2 ja will be 4, more than 3. Now subtract 1 from 3, what we get, 2. Now our next pair is 14, that is after decimal, so you shift the decimal in the quotient. So quotient you shift the decimal, then you take down 14, 1 4. So our number is 214. Now our new divisor will be 2 times of 1, that is 2. Okay, now one more digit should be there. What should be that digit? If I put here 6, if I put here 6, that will be less than 214. If I put 7 here, let me multiply, I am showing here. If I multiply 27 by 7, what we get, let us see. We get here 189, 189. If I multiply 27 by 8, that 28 by 8, we get 224, 224. So highest is 7. If I put 7, then the product is 189, which is less than 214. But if I put 8 here, product will be 224. So 8 we cannot take, we have to put here 7. Okay, and same number I will put here 7. Okay, product is our 189. Now subtract this from 214. If I subtract, we get here 25, 25, and our next pair is 1 5. Okay, now our next divisor will be 2 times of 17. 2 times of 17 is 34. Now one more digit I have to put here. The maximum digit here I can put 7. If I multiply this by 7, we get here 2 4 2 9. Now you subtract this from 2515, we get 86. We get 86. Our next pair is 93. See here, next pair is 93. So 93 will come down now, 93. So our next divisor will be, now this 7 you have to transfer, I forgot to put here, this 7 I have to write in the question, third digit 7. Our next divisor will be 2 times of 177. 2 times of 177 is 354. 354. Okay. Now here if I put 1, it will be 3541. If I put 2 here, then product will be 7084. 7084. Now this is the maximum that we can subtract from here. If I put 3 here, the product will be more than 8693. So 2 you can put here. Now subtract it here, you get 1609. Now in the question, now this question, this 2 will go to quotient. In the question, third digit after decimal will be 2 now. Okay. Now in the question it is given, find the square root of 3141593 up to two decimal places. So our third decimal place is 2, less than 5. So we can ignore it. So we can write therefore square root of 3.141593 equals 1.77. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, so this way we find the square root of any number by division method. Hope you understood. So in my next video I shall discuss about other questions. Thank you.